Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sort of choose what type of bed you want when booking a room in Agoda. So I'm just going to go to hotels, and then you can find wherever you want to go here. I'm just going to choose Jakarta, and here put it in the check-in and check-out dates. For instance, like on the 1st of June till the 2nd, and then I'm just going to press search. And then after that, for instance, I want to stay, let's see here. And then to sort of request like the type of bed you want, I'm just going to press Studio Double, and then I'm just going to press book now. After that, to request like sort of what bed you want, you're going to go here. It says, what bed configuration do you prefer? For instance, you want large beds, you're just going to click here. But it's only if it's like available. Sometimes it can be fully booked, so I'm just gonna say that right now, but you can put it in your special requests. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!